Hello all! In this tutorial, we will compare different networking and content delivery services provided by AWS and by Azure. For easy understanding, we have compared the services around different service areas such as Cloud Virtual Networking service description provides an isolated, private environment in the cloud. Users have control over their virtual networking environment, including selection of their own IP address range, creation of subnets, and configuration of route, tables, and network gateways. Cross-premise connectivity service description. Azure VPN gateways connect Azure virtual networks to other Azure virtual networks or customer on-premises networks, site to site. It also allows end users to connect to Azure services through VPN tunneling point to site. Domain name system management service description. Manage your DNS records using the same credentials and billing and support contract as your other Azure services. A service that hosts domain names plus routes users to internet applications, connects user requests to data centers, manages traffic to apps, and improves app availability with automatic failover. Content Delivery Network service description. A global content delivery network that delivers audio, video, applications, images, and other files. Dedicated network service description. Establishes a dedicated private network connection from a location to the cloud provider, not over the internet. Load balancing service description. Automatically distributes incoming application traffic to add scale, handle failover, and route to a collection of resources. So let's first talk about the first service area, that is, Cloud Virtual Networking. AWS provides Virtual Private Cloud, VPC. Azure provides Virtual Network. Let's talk about the second service area, that is, Cross-Premise Connectivity. AWS provides AWS VPC Gateway. Azure provides Azure VPN Gateway. Let's talk about the third service area, that is, Domain Name System Management. AWS provides Route 53. Azure provides Azure DNS, Azure Traffic Manager. Let's talk about the fourth service area, that is, Content Delivery Network. AWS provides CloudFront. Azure provides Azure Content Delivery Network. Let's talk about the fifth service area, that is, Dedicated Network. AWS provides Direct Network. Azure provides Express Route. Let's talk about the sixth service area, that is, Load Balancing. AWS provides Classic Load Balancer, Network Load Balancer, Application Load Balancer. Azure provides Load Balancer, Application Gateway.